Because I felt that all my life as a younger child, and I was extremely pampered. I mean, to date. I mean, my parents are like a protective shield around me. You know, through any kind of weather, terrain, everything. I know that they're there and I'm fine for anything. And this is the first time I felt I had to grow up. I was like, oh God, from being, somebody who's taken care of, I had to be the caregiver. And I was like, my life changed completely. I had to go for therapy and I was like, but then it turned
To
out
understand
fine.
it also.
To understand it,
But then faith भी आपका और strong हो जाता है. You know, it can go anywhere, Amna. It is a lot of good faith and a lot of inner strength, perhaps from your mom's side also, because I think that healing is it's the mindset and the energy and the positivity that you give yourself also that
Yeah.
helps you. Like, I mean, she can climb the Great Wall of China and recover. वो अंदर से इंसान के अंदर भी होना चाहिए, you know, and also around you.
She was a rock.
Yeah.
She never complained one day. Although she's
Yeah.
a pretty pessimistic person, I have to say. Now, especially.
I
like,
love it कि आमना
Yeah.
बैठ के बोल रही है
She's
कैमरों के
a
सामने.
pretty negative person. I mean, she sees the glass half full, and she's fatalistic. Like when Heather was
Realistic, हाँ, she-
really, no, not fatalistic.
अच्छा
Fatalist है.
अच्छा
मतलब है हेदर का एक बड़े aggressive tumor diagnose हुआ था. वो मुर्तज़ा जब पैदा हुआ था, and अम्मी ने तो उसको मार के रो के कहा कि पता नहीं ये दोबारा शादी करेगी कि नहीं करेगी, वहां तक मतलब पहुंचा दिया. मैं कहा what's wrong with you guys?
meaning he's gone
Okay,
and
your life is
you're
over.
a widow and now you're
I
going
said,
to
what's wrong with you?
and the-
He'll be fine.
हाँ.
He'll be fine. And and he was.
हाँ.
It turned out, alhamdulillah, fine.
Yeah.
But these were life-changing experiences,
Yeah.
all of them.
Yeah. So this was also a dhachka.
This
When
was
was
a big.
this?
This was a big. This was also a
Really?
big thachka.
When was this?
Well, this was before Ammi.
Achha.
This was even before Ammi. This was
Okay.
also a big thachka.
Okay.
Because he had this really life-changing surgery, and it was a tumor in his jaw, which was diagnosed. Scaling कराने गया तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि यहाँ पे करा लो, एक्सरे करा लो, एक्सरे कराया तो
And it came out.
yeah,
वहाँ भी surgery भी थी.
बहुत aggressive surgery थी वो.
हाँ. But it was what was it? It was cancerous. It
So
was,
they do call it like it's not malignant,
yeah.
but it's like cancer because it's a very aggressive tumor. It starts
It just
eating
keeps
into your
growing.
bone.
Oh, okay.
And if it eats into your entire mandible, it could go into the brain as well. So it's really,
Okay.
it has to be operated upon. So वो 6 दांत और वो jaw का पूरा bone वो निकला. And Heather, somebody who's petrified of hospitals and needles and everything. Petrified. So it's like,
Wow.
And this as a young mother with 2 infants on my hands, I was raising single-handedly because my
So
parents...
what do you do? Do you start crying? Do you ever cry?
Oh, I cry all the time.
Really?
I'm a crier.
I've never seen you crying.
I'm a crier. I'll give you a line that I came up with like 2-3 days ago. And I told this to 2 of my friends. And one said, who didn't understand, he said, this is so freaky. I said, that's not freaky. This is just how I think. And the other one who's seen me through these years, and she said, that's so beautiful. Because she saw, I told her that, खामोशी में मुझे अपने रोने की आवाज़ आती है. Isn't that like really, it could be really creepy as well that are you hearing somebody else crying? No, I hear myself crying. I've cried through all of this. I'm a weeper. मैं तो फिल्म देख के रो सकती हूँ कुछ भी.
फिल्म पे तो मैं भी रो लेती हूँ.
फिल्म पे भी रो लेती हूँ. सड़क पे किसी गरीब को देखूँ तो रो सकती हूँ. किसी बच्चे को भूखा देखूँ रो सकती हूँ. किसी को प्यारे को तकलीफ में देखूँ रो सकती हूँ. I mean, Heather का जब
come across as this really tough woman. तुम्हारा जो persona है ना, वो ये
रो के बना है.
रो के बना. वो तो
Oh my
है.
God,
but
I'm a
मैं-
weeper.
I know, but I'm just telling you what the perception is. And then the reality, this is the whole idea. I think this is the whole point of why we do this. One is to know people and to know the insides of people. And people just think people are, वो जो नज़र आता है surface में, वो tough, डरते हैं भाई तुमसे लोग. आमना इसानी, तुमसे लोग डरते हैं.
Which I would hope not. वैसे I don't want like डरे ना यार. डरे ना. इज्जत करें, डरे ना. इज्जत करें, डरे ना.
इज्जत तो है आमना, but also लोग सच से डरते हैं.
लोग सच से डरते हैं ना. सच का सामना करें. मैं तो ये करती हूँ कि अगर